the Cardinal Health Foundation, making a meaningful difference in the health of communities around the world, and the ASHP Foundation, dedicated to improving the health and well-being of patients in health systems through appropriate, safe, and effective medication use, are joining to honor the Smilow Cancer Hospital at Yale-New Haven with the Award for Excellence in Medication Use Safety. The Smilow Cancer Hospital is a place of hope for patients and a national leader in revolutionizing cancer treatment. In 2011, to deliver the same exceptional cancer care to patients close to their homes, the hospital acquired 9 oncology physician practices and integrated them into its network.
The goal was to put pharmacists at these remote care sites. We had limited resources, so we had to be very creative.
The pharmacist-led team of nurses, physicians, and health system executives proposed a 2-tier approach. Using telepharmacy, a central team of pharmacists at Smilow would oversee the preparation of chemotherapy by technicians at the new sites. Freed up from this oversight responsibility, pharmacists at the new locations could then provide personalized patient care. But this novel solution ran into a legal barrier.
The Connecticut state drug law said that a pharmacist had to be physically present to supervise a technician. And by nature of that, that means in the same room. And so when we wanted to do this via telepharmacy, we weren't going to be able to do that.
To prove their case, Smilow mounted a pilot program separating the technician from the pharmacist. Using this technology, pharmacists identified potential errors in 1.7% of prepared chemotherapy doses before they reached the patient. Many of these errors would have been prevented through manual review, but using technology to identify these errors enabled the health system to better understand potential risk and system failures. In addition, the pilot data showed a 20-minute reduction in chemotherapy verification and compounding time, an improvement to 97.7% utilization of the barcode-enabled technology in the chemotherapy compounding process, and an increased capture rate of pharmacist clinical intervention metrics that demonstrated advanced clinical practice activities. Based on these results, the legislators changed the law.
This was huge. It was never done in Connecticut. I mean, this was the first time that this was ever going to be done. And we were the pioneers.
The inclusion of pharmacists on the traditional nurse-physician care team at these practice sites also met with organizational challenges.
Resistance immediately, it always is. And then I think it probably took about 6 months or so before they realized how valuable it was having someone from pharmacy in their midst.
Being able to put pharmacists where the care is delivered in those clinics, being able to interface with the nurses in real time, as well as the patients, really allows us to use the pharmacist as a full resource.
Thanks. We could not have done this without the leadership of pharmacy, and in particular the pharmacists who led this effort. They are the content experts. Having a team like we have that led this particular project gives me the confidence that whatever we're going to face, we're going to be able to meet the needs, and we're always going to be a step ahead.
For its groundbreaking work incorporating pharmacists into provider facilities, the staff of the Smilow Cancer Hospital is honored with the 2014 Award for Excellence in Medication Use Safety.